Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Sell Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I'm your host Martin. In this episode, we're going to be talking about crypto rally. Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell. That way you're going to be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is on, join us in Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. Let's see real quick here the chat, right? Let's see the chat. Who here? Who here now? Let's go check it. Ooh, Rudy Gaming in the house. What is up, my friend? Thank you very much for being here. Waiting for my stream. Oh, it's so cool, man. Looks like we're kind of relief balance, maybe for 3K. We'll see. Crypto Beauty says, OMG, Martin, you're back. It's Christina Church. So great to see you. So great to see you here, Christina. Thank you very much for joining me. We have been going live on a different channel, though, right? I've kept on being here. I did say on my live stream I was going to change channels. Sorry about that, though, but I had to, right? I had to change channels. So we have a new channel. I just decided to come to this channel for a little bit. Pin at the top of the chat, you're going to find our other channel. You can go join us there as well. And subscribe to us there, and then I'll go live either on this channel or the other channel. We'll see how things keep going. Carthago, good evening. Amay says, earned a $15 Splinter Alliance card today. Congrats. Oscar Chavez says, what's up? And Andrew, yo. The swap test. All right, cool. Let's go to the screen where the magical stuff happens. Here we are. Oh my goodness, Monkey Cap, what's happening? Well, try to get a recovery, right? We did bounce yesterday. We had that bullish divergence. Remember, we had it here. We still were creating it. Again, very, very bullish, right? We're pushing with strength. It's like we're rejecting going lower right now. That is a bullish sentiment still. Whatever's left of the bullish sentiment that we have, saying no, okay, we're going down. That's fine. You bears could take over for a little bit, but we want to take over again. So we're just letting you push it down a little bit, but not too much. We're seeing a lot of money coming in, right? So So good stuff. Volume, somewhat about the same volume we had yesterday, with a lot of indecision. Today going up. Today, yesterday, today going up, and then tomorrow for the market we are stagnating a bit. We've gone up, come back down. We'll see where the market wants to go. We need to get above this area here, right? This area here at 2.39 trillion, then above 2.46 trillion, in that blue line that's going to potentially act as a resistance. We are sitting sold at 39.36. That is it for the market cap. Again, not a lot going on in the market cap. We rallied. That's good. Went up for a 2.54%. It's all good. Ethereum was doing really good yesterday. Ethereum was king yesterday. Bitcoin, bullish divergence, strong, starting to get a rally. Right, get above that 49,691. We said we wanted to be above that area. Remember? So yesterday when we came live, it seemed as though we were rejecting it, and I said we don't want to reject it because if we reject, we're going to come down here. Guess what? Very close to coming down to that $46,800 mark. Right? Very, very close. Now, we did recover, which is fine, and got above the target that we wanted to, but we're still rejecting right now that 51,250. And like I said yesterday, we do want to be above $1,000. Potential still get above that 51,250 and that 50,119 before we start to look for better terms, let's say, for Bitcoin, right? So right now it's doing okay. Sold at 35.69. That is it. Nothing else bullish developing. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart again, we can see that this chart has a lot of gaps, right? So we're going to switch to this chart real quick. Again, there's nothing bullish. We're rejecting here that 51,579. Again, hitting that resistance, right, on this chart. They've been here since last days we've been looking at it. So not a lot happening on the 4-hour. Let's go to the 1-hour. On the 1-hour chart, do we have divergence? Oh boy. Right, so this chart, look at all the gaps we have here. It's weird how the Gemini chart is all screwed. Let's go to this one. We probably had something wrong. Right, so low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. Here, even, no, we're going to say negative, or sorry, low on the other side to lower point. So nothing bullish, really. Holding that support, 47,338 here, and bouncing. So right now it looks like the Bitcoin chart on Bitstamp is the most accurate for the supports and resistances we have here. We don't have a lot of supports and resistances on this chart. Most of the ones I have are here in Gemini, but they're still being respected, right? We're still below here at that 51,250. Again, that's all good right now. On the 1-hour, we don't have a lot happening. Let's see, do we have hidden divergence? Yes, I think we have hidden divergence here. Let's zoom in more. You'll be able to see this here in a second, right? Look. Coming up higher, right? And we are coming in lower here on our MACD, right? Look, high to low. So with that, we're starting to create that strong bearish divergence. That's certainly going to start putting pressure on the price. Potentially, we rejected that 51,250. So we need to keep on rallying if we want to get rid of this divergence. We need to pump a lot. So let's go into this chart real quick here, and we're still going to have that same divergence showing here, right? So from one island to the next, right? Look at this. Look at this, right? Here we go. Bearish divergence strong, right? So moving down a bit. Right now it's sideways. Rejecting again 51,579 for 78.79, sorry. And then we should be looking for that movement down, maybe to that 20 moving average at $49,301. That's our target right now for Bitcoin. If we do move down, if we want to keep on rallying, we need to break above that 51,578 here on this chart, or on the Gemini chart, we need to get above 51,250, right? Those are targets to the upside. We still get a resistance at 52,119. Getting above 54,000, 55,000 is going to be extremely good for Bitcoin. But right now, we are getting some recovery with strong bearish divergence. Let's see how Bitcoin's going to handle this. It seems as though we want to get that expansion of the Bollinger Bands to the upside and say, yo, this crash, let's undo it. But like I said yesterday, right, or 2 days ago, we got to wait. We're still on the side. We're still not getting the clearest read. Yeah, we pumped a bit, but right now starting to get that resistance. So on the daily, managed to go up only 2.12% right now, another 0.54%. Let's check out Ethereum. Ethereum at 4,341. It pumped yesterday very well, 3.77%. At some point it was doing it a little bit better. I think it was over 4% or maybe around 4%. But we're closing below that blue line. And again, it's acting as a resistance right now, going back down, but we're still above that 20, which is good. Nothing happening here that is bearish. Nothing happening here that is bullish. Neutral at 50.22. Again, we started the rally. We said that Ethereum was looking a little bit stronger than Bitcoin. It was recovering certainly better than Bitcoin. Nothing here that is bullish, right? Low, lower, negative, more negative, and low, lower on that RSI. On the price, high point, lower point. High point, lower point, and high point, lower point. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Neutral at 55.20, 55.52. So we're pumping without any kind of divergence right now, right? It's not necessarily the best thing. We had here bearish divergence on Bitcoin, on Ethereum yesterday, or yeah, yesterday throughout the morning, and then that's what moved us down. Now, did we create something bullish here? Check. It's all one island. So low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. So low, lower, negative, more negative, and low, lower. Still nothing here that is bullish. Now, are we creating something bearish? Right. High to low, and low to high. So strong bearish divergence, just like Bitcoin, right? Go figure. Remember, this one we draw from the highest point on the island, which is here to here, right? It will be as though we've anchored from this point here. So again, divergence, bearish, strong, potential for moving down. Watch out for that, right? So let's see what else we have here. I think there were some pre-stream requests coming in, so let's check. Gustavo said, "Can you check Luna?" Yeah, we can check Luna. Luna. Definitely. Hey, bro. Guys, how bullish are you on Bitcoin? If you're really bullish, type 1. If you're not bullish, type 2. I want to know how bullish you guys are. Let me know in the chat. Ooh, people watching. Low to high, higher, and then higher still. Hidden bullish divergence here on Luna, which is helping us to rally, which is pretty good. Right now, we're getting consolidation, right? Not the worst thing happening ever. Joshua, what's up, dude? On green. Hey, good day. From down under. Great. Here we go. Bullish divergence hidden. Getting that rally happening. Very nice. Now here on the move, going higher, more positive, and higher still. Nothing bearish. So right now, we're getting consolidation below $68.76. We're going to see how that was handled. And, you know, that moving down, we did come back down here to $59.54 mark. So we're going to check those in a bit. Bought at 62.63. So not the best, but also not the worst. He's doing okay. Carthago says he's not as bullish. And then Jeff says he's bullish. Kerry, thanks for being here. So much appreciated, guys. Thank you very, very much for your kind support. All right, so bearish divergence. Move down on that. We did manage to pump a little bit more after we had done the stream. So very, very little though, right? We still have that bearish divergence. We still broke down. So we already knew there was a chance we are going to move down. So we moved down. Look, acted as support there for a candle and broke down. We tried to rally. Low to high, negative to less, negative and low to nothing happening here. That is bullish. Neutral at 51.97. Let's go to that 1 hour chart. Neutral means we could go either way, right? On the RSI. Not that we're like not going to do anything. So just interpret neutral as like lack of action. It just means that on the RSI, we're on that neutral zone. So we could go either way according to the RSI. We're just trading RSI by itself. Oh, snap. I sent something to the 4 hour, I think. So let me do this. You should just be here on the 1 hour. There we go. Oh no. I opened a new tab. Oh my goodness. What are we going to do? Batters. What are we gonna do? Here we go, man. Ooh. Here we are. Bullish divergence. Sorry, not bullish. Bearish divergence. Strong movement down, right? Now here I gotta zoom in. Negative less, negative momentum. Please tell me we're coming lower. All right, so we created some bullish divergence here, right? We're coming down, and then we're going here. Less of that negative momentum. With that, we're creating strong bullish divergence and the possibility for action to the upside. We're definitely going here for this rally. Here, short-term move here, also on the RSI, right? That bullish divergence is strong, helping us to rally. But we're coming up to that $68.76 resistance, and well, we're moving down now. That's it, right? .18 HNT in 24 hours. Oh my goodness, is that what my mining is? Well, thanks for letting me know. I haven't checked. Ken, yo, what's up, dude? I need to check out what's happening with my mining rig then. Neutral at 53.01. That's it for Luna, right? That is it here for Luna. So I was having internet problems today, Kevin. That's probably why it's off a little bit. We can check my hotspot, see how it's doing. So yeah, I had a lot of zeros here. Yeah, not the best, right? 7-day average, 1.29, 30-day average. 523 is not bad. 5.23 for Last 30 days, all Thanksgiving. So, let's keep checking here, man. That's it for Luna. Someone said ADA. Let's go check out ADA. Yeah, but I have to check it out. You're correct. ADA at $1.45. All right. Managed to rally a little bit yesterday, right? 3.04 right now, still rallying another 2.11. So everything's rallying a little bit more than Bitcoin, I think, right? Let's see. Bitcoin is up 0.59% in average, and then market cap for alts is down 0.03. But at least some of the alts that we've looked at, Ethereum just went down. All right, so Ethereum's in the red. ADA's doing okay. ADA's pumping 2.18%. So not bad. Bullish divergence, potential for movement up. That is fine. Getting a rally here, getting above that $1.40 mark. Next target is going to be here at that 382. $1.52. We need to overtake that area, right? Neutral. So we're sold at 36.23. Still looking for that action to upside, right? We're sold, so we should be recovering slightly higher. Let's go here on the 4-hour chart. Positive, positive, high to low. Neutral at 2.18. Do we have anything here that is bullish? Yes, we do. Look at this. Came lower, created bullish divergence today at 2 in the morning. Ain't that pretty? Ain't that pretty? That's part of the reason that we're pumping here, man. There we go. So again, potential for movement up, getting up about 20. There we could be looking for a rally all the way up here to $1.52. That would be a pretty good target to go for. That would actually be a pretty solid target to try to reach right now. All things considered, and given the way the market is looking, if ADA goes there, it could be extremely well for it. Low, lower, negative, more negative momentum, and low, lower still. I'm gonna have to check here. I think we might have some divergence. Yep. Bullish divergence, strong. Look, low, higher low on the RSI, and then here we're coming from a high point on the price to a lower point. Strong bullish, getting a rally, not bad. Low to high, negative momentum, very positive, more positive, and high, and higher still. We are sitting overbought at 72.74. Not where we want to be, right? Not where we want to be. We don't want to be overbought. Well, we're just starting to recover. And the fact that we're overbought, we're starting to create also bearish divergence, strong rise. It's something we have to watch out for. Just be careful here in ADA. It's looking good in general, right? The 4-hour, the daily, right? But right now, it's starting to look a little bit dangerous. We could be looking for a movement down. On the fact that we're starting to create bearish divergence. It's just going to depend on how we keep on moving, right? It could start to manifest as stagnation on the 4-hour chart. If the 4-hour chart keeps on rallying because it has its own bullish divergence, then we'll be good, right? Let's go here on the 4-hour. 4-hour has a bullish divergence pumping. It has nothing bearish, so the 4-hour could still rally, and then the daily is still looking okay here, man, right?
Let's check out crypto mines again low by looking at the rewards pool. I think the game has a few days left of life. What do you think?
Ken, first of all, I think that that's pretty awesome. Thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. Man, that is
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that kind of awesome donation. Please send me the link somehow. I need to check it out. Or tell me where. And I'll check it out. I can't even remember where we looked at that, but yeah, thank you very much for that awesome information. AD, it's going, man. It's going well. It's going well. Can't complain. Life's good, right? Living the dream. Streaming. It's pretty awesome, right? I still have a day job, but at some point in time, I want to turn this into a full-time gig. So hey, we're on the road. We're on the road doing this, right? We're on the road of life, trying to get this going. Thank you very much for joining, guys. Again, if you enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the like, you hit the bell, you hit the sub, join us on the Discord. Can't look at you in the poop. All right, cool. All right, sure, why not? Right, so let's go to the poopy coin. Oh, is this one right? Eternal? Crypto mines, yeah. All right. So, all right, first things you're gonna notice is that stuff that I've done here in this chart doesn't save. So let's bring the MACD. Let's bring the RSI. Again, this one had, if I remember correctly, this looked like a major dump and rug pull. It was around $60 when we looked at it Right now it's at a painful $22. It's dropped another third of its value from when we last looked at it. So yeah, this is when we said rug pull. Yeah, not good, right? This is not a good. I would not be trading this asset. It's troublesome, dude. Right, looking at this, and then look the hottest. It wasn't looking too good when we were looking at it. Look at this, right? On a high coming, almost losing all of its value. Let's see how much it's dropped in value. It's not what you want to see when you want to trade, right? You want to have like good looking charts. This has dropped, dude, 97% of the way. I mean, geez, man. Yeah. I would just say be careful here, man. Extremely careful. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish here on the daily. Oh, sorry, we had bearish here on the short term, I think, when we last looked at it, but we've looked at it on the drop, so it doesn't matter. Let's go to the 12, not 12 hour, let's go to the 4 hour. I mean, the 4 hour chart had bullish divergence, I think, when we were looking at it, if I'm not mistaken. Looked to try to rally, but we failed to get above that 786. Not looking the best. I mean, it has this bullish divergence there. That's about it. Look, still coming lower. This will just track coming in from the low to a lower point, negative to positive, right? And then here to here as well. Look at that, right? Boom. But we're sold at 27.22. We should be looking for recovery, but again, I'm not really confident in this project, and I'm not sure why it's dropping like this, right? So here, let's go short term. A lot of nothing is nothing, I know. Lower, dude. Look, we're not lower yet, but we should be coming lower. I'm not seeing anything here that really screaming bullish, so I'll just say be careful. All right, look. All right, there was some bullish divergence here. Pop. We're not creating anything bearish. We're just crashing again. It's not looking super strong, right? Oh, cool. Dude, Kevin, congrats. That's a pretty sweet looking rig for, wow. That's pretty sweet, man. How are you going to get the internet to that? That's going to be interesting, though. But it looks pretty legit. Pretty cool, man. That's a good setup. For a off-grid, I guess you could say. An off-grid mining rig for HNT, for helium. That's pretty interesting. Oh, guys, thank you very much for joining me. You guys are amazing. You're awesome viewers. The most awesome viewership in the whole wide world. Yeah. Let's keep rolling and doing crypto stuff. All right, so that's it, dude. Thank you very much for the kind donation there, Ken. I would say be extremely careful here. Ooh, baking stuff. Great. Oh, we were doing bread today. It was pretty good looking bread. It looks pretty tasty. Let's keep rolling. We baked bread and pita bread also. So we baked pita bread and well, we did that one on the stove top, but we baked sweet looking bread. And it was pretty freaking tasty. Admire the work. Good vibes. Hotspot in the box. Oh, that's pretty good. That is pretty legit. That is pretty legit. Can I show this on the stream, dude? Can I show this on the stream? Let me know and I'll show it if you say it's okay. $5 says hype. Thank you, man. Much appreciated. Let's keep rolling here. Wait, I'm waiting for confirmation here on Kevin that says all right, I can show it. All right, cool. Look, this is Kevin's setup. This is an offline, off-grid, mining rig for HNT. That is pretty cool looking, man. And then this is his small schooner. Is it a schooner that you have there, man, or a small boat? I'm not sure what I should call it. Sailboat. I'm not sure what the difference between a schooner and a sailboat. And they have sails. Hell. But man, congrats on your sailboat as well. You should just call it helium miner now. Put it on top of that and just go mining, dude. Or sorry, sailing and mining at the same time. That'll be pretty legit. Let's keep rolling. Let's go back to Bitcoin. What is happening with Bitcoin, man? 51,017. We're almost 1% out. All right, so we're trying to get another crack at that $51,250 mark. There on the daily, very close, right? Very, very nice rally. Alaska, I'm not gonna tell you his location. He lives off the grid. Sure, 40 foot. Yeah, it's all like nice and shiny inside. Is the SS HNT miner thing? That's the way he's gonna call the rig. That mining rig is pretty sweet looking though. It's so everything is in the box. So the all right. So the power supply is coming in from the panel, and then he's got the helium mining rig within the box, and then it has the Wi-Fi. I guess is a hotspot. So he's just getting a hotspot. So it's just he can just place it whatever. Man. It'll just be running, right? Anyways, short term, what is happening here, man? Coming up higher, coming in lower, right? Starting to come in lower. So we're starting to create some strong bearish divergence on the short term. Not really liking that. But it's still too early to call it, right? It's still too early to call it and say, yo, this is going to break us down. Reason for that is we're just developing this new candle and we don't know how strong we're going to keep on pumping. We're going to get rid of this really quick here against the RSI. We might keep it against the MACD for a little bit longer. But again, it looks as though crypto wants to recover a little bit more. Someone earlier said 53,000. I would think 53,000 would be an okay, it'll be an okay target. We do have some resistance there at 5200, but 53, I would say maybe we run up to that 54, touch it, pull back down. I don't have a lot of resistances there to the upside, so it could be where we're going, right? That could be the target for Bitcoin, man. That could be the target for Bitcoin. So let's keep checking this out, man. Thank you guys for joining me, and being awesome here. Remember, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, right? Those are awesome things. Go hook up a channel. Right. So I'm gonna check some stuff real quick here. Let's check HNT. Why not? We're talking about the HNT mining rig. So it's going up 1.10%. Yesterday struggled a bit, but right now we're recovering it, which is fine. We had that hidden divergence coming in. We knew we could be looking for a small rally, neutral at 36.49. Let's go here and check the 4 hour. Right, on the 4 hour chart, do we create anything bullish? No, nothing bullish. We're rallying. That's fine. We had it on the daily. Right now, I'll be cautious because we're starting to create some hidden divergence, and that's going to put pressure on the price. We're getting it right around that 20 moving average here on the 4 hour chart, and that is going to get some pain if we reject, right? Reject could be getting us to go lower than this previous low here around $28.42, and then we might create some strong bullish divergence then, and look for a move afterwards. But right now, it is a move. Right, hidden bearish divergence, potential movement down, and rejection of that 20 moving average. We're sitting in neutral at 43.17. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, high to low, possible is positive in the high, too low. Not a lot there, man. Bullish divergence here we're looking for, right? Look, we kept on dropping and dropping more. As we dropped, we kept on building this bullish divergence. So rallied great. We're good. We are good, man. I'm gonna go check here real quick. Mana. Why not, right? Mana. Man, at $3.72. Man, has it dropped. Now, I tried to recover lately, but, you know, it's struggling. Getting to its 100%. So here we're looking for that hidden divergence. We still have it. That's why we're staying outside of the previous 100% high. Sold. And, yeah, even here we have it. Look at this. Against the MACD and the RSI, right? It's neutral at 47.97. Let's go here on the 4 hour, man. On the 4 hour chart. Nothing here that is bullish or bearish. This I forgot to anchor, so let's send it back there. And let's go to the 1 hour. See 1 hour chart, right? High to low, positive, high. Nothing here that is bullish or bearish. Short term, we have some bullish divergence here. This last bit, but on the larger move, we don't have anything from one island to the next. Right on. So let's see what else we're gonna be looking at here, man. Let's go and check. Something else I want to look at. Solo has been pretty legit, so I'm not sure how it's doing right now. How's it faring? I'm gonna have to go look for it here. Sologenic. Let's go there, man. At $4.28. Man, it hasn't dropped. It was hitting almost $7 a couple days ago, right? December the 2nd. Not the greatest move. So we had bearish divergence. We knew it was a possibility for moving down, going down, hit that 20, gone down, hit that 20, gone down, hit that 20, rejecting every time. Is this chart better? Yeah, this one's a little bit better. We've not hit it at 20 too many times. So this could be a legit chart for this. Bearish divergence strong here having. So again, let's just draw it here real quick. And say, I'm not going to be looking at this on all time scales. There we are. I was going to be looking at this here on the daily, and I'm just jump onto the 1 hour. That's it, though. All right. Bullish divergence strong. There's a tiny, tiny island here that I'm ignoring. This one. I'll show you here in a second. This one here I'm ignoring. So, yeah, it's good. Ooh, that was the RSI, but not good. All right. And only remove the RSI from different times because there we go. It's all good. All right. So, let's see what else we're gonna be looking at here, guys. Real quick, let's check. Let's see what else is moving right now. Right. So let's see what is pumping. Bitcoin already looked at. Ethereum already looked at. Litecoin's going down, but not by a lot. Binance going down, but not by a lot. Data's doing okay. Is there any wild movers right now? That's what I'm looking for. Anything that's like going crazy. Either crazy drop or crazy pop. So, what? There's really not a lot. Crow's up 15%, depending on what exchange you look at. So on Wobi, Crow seems to be pumping 15%. On this other exchange, which is KuCoin, Crow is just up 0.61%. So again, the hot divergence, right, coming in, helping us rally. It's not doing bad here on Crow. CRV. Someone said AGIX. All right, so we can check that real quick. I think we've looked at this before. We have. Great, AGIX at 21 cents. Did it put double digits yesterday? Yeah. No, 8.89 at the end. But it's still okay. Bullish divergence, right? Look. Low, lower low, negative to positive, and low to high on the other side, right? So bullish divergence strong. Potential for a movement up. Not a bad move. Not a bad. See? Not letting me do. There we go. It's not letting me choose the actual move. It wanted to choose the RSI. You can. I don't like that. I don't like it when it wants to do the RSI because then it happens, you know, like it did a little bit ago. Anyways, low, lower, negative, less negative. All right. Bullish divergence strong happening here on the 4-hour chart. So, I mean, potential for a moving up. Are we gonna move up? Are we gonna move up, guys? Very interesting. Neutral at 50.85. We are moving up a bit, getting above the 20. Very, very good. Nothing bearish coming in, so we can keep on rallying. Tightness on the volume band's also starting to show, so we'll see how this keeps on going. But we should be looking for a moving up. BitBear Crypto. Hey, dude, long time no see. Are you green screen or an OBS filter? I am green screen. I'm actually blue screen. And since I am blue screen, I can bring green stuff. And like you'll see here, again, this might not be the best example, but look at that, right? It's a Rubik's Cube. The blue is gone, and then the green is still there. So, yeah. I think it's the easiest way I can show it to you. But yeah, thank you very much for asking. BitBear Crypto. I mean, higher, higher, and higher still. Overbought it. Sorry, not overbought. Bought it 63.61 again. Starting to flag, right? Nice moving up, flagging. Not bad. Starting to consolidate. It's looking okay. It's looking pretty good, actually. Could it be setting up for a next leg up? It could. Vertex says, Adam, great, just in time. Hey, brother, caught some PNT. I'm not sure. What is PNT ranking at? All right, so that's it for AJX real quick. Let's go here on. Sorry, am I missing anything here that it's important? Nope. All right, cool. Let's go check loop ring. What is loop ring? LRG? No. What is loop ring? LRC. There we go. I know it's close. I couldn't remember the actual ticker for it. LRC at $2.52. Let's go there on the daily. Right, so low, lower, more negative, lower, still nothing here. That is bullish. Shorter term, let's go. There was bearish divergence back here on the daily. Again, not really caring too much about this one because it already happened, but this fibs are whack. Why do we have so many lines? Jeez, this is giving me a headache. Let's get rid of this fibs here real quick. Let's bring some new fibs for this project. I'm not sure why we had so many fibs there on Loopring. Oh, hi, there we go. Let's extend this here a little. There we are. By the way, new channel, right? It's been at the top of the chat. You guys can join me there. You can subscribe to our channel there as well. We'll go live every now and then at that channel. That's basically our backup channel. We were starting to develop it, see where it went. But at least we now got a good roll going, good ball rolling there, and we'll see where it takes us. Right. Hidden divergence, potential movement up. Great, that's it. Neutral at 51.21. That's where we're getting that bounce, getting above at 382 after coming back down to a 50% retrace, and even on the wick to that 618. So very, very nice targets we've hit, and starting to get some recovery. We should be aiming for that 20 moving average at $2.69 right now. $2.51 here on Loopring. So let's go here on the 4-hour chart. First things we notice is I'm forgetting to anchor every time, and that's not good. When I was your age, I forgot to anchor all day long. Wasn't good for crypto trading, I'll tell you that. It was crazy, man. It was crazy times. Hidden, not hidden, medium bullish divergence, right? Again, went up a bit. And here also, right? Leave that, boom. All right, a lot of coins just got queued, so 1 second, right? Medium bullish trying to rally, and that's okay. Nothing here that is bearish right now, at least not in the short term, right? Low, high, more positive, and higher still. Larger move, yeah, we could say that there is divergence on this move, right? Maybe hidden bearish, so we might start to get some stagnation on the price, but we'll see. Again, medium bullish divergence could easily overtake this if the market still goes bullish. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. The 1-hour chart, what do we have? Low, high, more positive, and higher still. Shorter term, bearish divergence. It's starting to develop. It's not fully mature yet, but it's starting to be there. It's something that we gotta observe. It might not play, but in case it does, we gotta just have a plan, right? That's how it rolls. So again, potential moving down and coming in. Where could we drop? 20 moving average would not be a bad target at $2.18. Overbought at 76.07, and that is also a reason why we could be going down. Now I want to zoom in here real quick. The reason I'm doing that is I want to see where we're at here. So if I draw the line here real quick, let's see where we're at with regards to the other line. Yeah, I would say well, because we have strong bearish against the MACD and then medium bearish against the RSI. So not bad. Again, potential for moving down, right? Then PNT. What is PNT? Where does that even rank? Where does that even rank? Look, UFO pumped a lot. PNT 644, man. Usually, thanks very much for asking for that just in time, but usually I'm not looking at any coins that are below top 250. Sorry, above top 250 on the ranking, right? So anything that is greater than 250, we're not looking at, unless you requested pre-stream. And when you request pre-stream, you have to basically, I'll check it out and see if this is something that we'll talk about. Sorry about that, man. Let's go see Atom. The Atom. What has happened, Mr. Atom? Where you going? The Atom. Dude, I lost it. Where's the Atom? It's so tiny, I just keep on missing it. Here we go. $24.39. On the daily. On the daily, we had bullish divergence. We pumped. All right, cool. Coming back down on market moving down, I guess. Bitcoin going down. There's nothing bearish here. Are we still having bullish divergence? We might. We might. We do. All right. There's bullish divergence that's starting to develop here. That would certainly indicate that we're looking for a shift in trend. Maybe start to move up again. Here, I don't think we're gonna have it here on the MACD. I'm gonna draw a straight line here. And say that against the MACD, it is medium. Sorry, not medium, weak bullish divergence, and then against the RSI, strong bullish. So we should be looking for at least action to the upside. Maybe go for a 20 moving average. All right, so Jason, what's up? I was checking it out in this Bitcoin bull run for 2021. All right. Do you think we could be looking for a correction of 90% here? That's not gonna be pretty, right? Anyways, here, bearish divergence moving down. We started to move down on the bearish divergence. I even remember saying this was tiny here on Atom, right? So how this tiny might not even play out. It played. Oh my goodness. Did it play? It dropped us quite a bit. Oh, it just went down. Quantity momentum lower on their side, sold at, sorry, neutral at 42.67. Let's go to that 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, look at this. Bullish divergence strong. Potential for moving up. Starting to rally a little bit. Hidden divergence might be coming into play here. No, yeah, we do. Look at this. Went up higher here and coming in lower. So hidden divergence is getting us to flag, move sideways here a bit after an attempted recovery. Now, what do we know about bearish indicators, right? During a bear market, bearish indicators play out a lot more often than bullish indicators, and during a bull market, bullish indicators play out a lot more often than a bearish indicator. Now, when we look at hidden divergence, usually strong bullish divergence, like the one we had here, will win over that hidden divergence. But if we're in a bear market, then that hidden divergence is having a little bit more power, so it could overtake that strong bullish. So I think it's going to be key to see here how this is going to be handled. If we move sideways, we could just say we are in on the side of the market, right? We had bullish divergence, we tried to rally, but that hidden divergence is doing its job and making us move sideways. Right, so that would tell us that we're not strong enough, or we're not bullish enough to go higher. We're also not super bearish, where we're going to be getting a correction and drop. So right now we'll be looking for a movement to that 20 moving average around 23.57. That's the move I will be looking at here. On a movement down, on a moving up, we should be trying to overtake this area here, and that's going to be at $28.28, $28.28, right? Right, that is it here for Adam. Someone said UFO. UFO. Did we look at this the other day? Yeah, UFO to wrapped Ethereum. Right. It's a gaining. Cool. Yesterday gained 12%. Today getting a little bit more. Hidden divergence. Low, hot, bam, hidden divergence. Like that. Only thing we have here on daily. Hidden divergence. Potential for moving up. We're getting it at a 50% retrace, which is a good area for a retrace to happen. Starting to go back up. Where could we go? 382 would be a good target. A point, a lot of zeros, and then 73. And then we should be looking at the 20 moving average, which is at a whole bunch of zeros, and then 88, and then 236 at a whole bunch of zeros, and then 9. Right. So that's what we're looking at here for UFO. On the 4 hour chart, we had the bullish divergence, starting rallying that, which is pretty good. Getting above that 20, which is fine. We talked about this yesterday when we were looking at it. So there we go. Bullish divergence we called for. Great. Played. Very nice rally. So neutral at 50.69. Then on the 1 hour, I think we were undecided, right? Yeah, on the 1 hour we didn't quite have anything. And what I didn't like about the chart is that we're not getting the cleanest read, right? So coming up higher, coming up higher as well. So nothing bearish. Right now stagnating a bit on the short term. Bearish divergence, right? So let's look at this move here. From here to here. Again, potential for a movement down. That is what I would be looking at here on UFO, right? That's it for UFO, and then US. All right, so we're gonna check that real quick. I'm not gonna read the zeros. It's just a whole bunch of zeros after a dot. A dot, a lot of zeros, and then something. US at 153. All right, we're gonna look at that. All right, we have seen this before. So we're not stranger to US. All right, so on the short term here, bearish divergence strong. First thing I'm looking at, right, that's going to indicate that there should be a potential for a movement down happening here. Oh my goodness, we dropped. We dropped. Now we're creating hidden bullish. We're trying to rally. Great. Great cut, everyone. I'll send you back to the past. We're going to drop 48.42, right? So let's zoom out here. Do we have anything here? No, we don't. All right, cool. All right, so what we're gonna do right now is gonna give some fibs and say, all right, this is gonna be your low point, and then this is gonna be your high point, right? So low, high, You're going to pull back below that 382 right now, come back down, hitting that 618, come back down to 50%, retracing. So we're not doing that bad right now. Let's go to that 4-hour chart and see where we're at. It's a great coin, EOS. Yeah, so the Steam of crypto. Crypto Steam. Sounds interesting. What is Crypto Steam? Who is Crypto Steam? Like Steam Gaming? Yes. I want to draw this. I'm going to confirm it here in a second by zooming in. And I think we're going to have that bullish divergence. Try it. Look. Negative, less negative. Strong bullish divergence. Action to upside. Give me a small pop. Now we're coming here from a high point to low point. High to low. It's not. Hidden divergence. Putting pressure. Getting us to drop. Did we drop lower? Yes, we did. Strong bullish coming into play again. Look at this. This time we also have it here against the RSI, right? Zoom in. You're going to see that, right? So good stuff here. Neutral at 49.04. So that's not really looking bad on the 4-hour. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Dude, low, lower low, or negative. All right, we might be able to save it here. No, we're not. Still coming in slightly lower. High, low, strong bearish divergence here. This is what we had. This here is what we had here on this project. That's the reason why we went down. Yeah. The downside project. Downside lands. All right, so we dropped a bit. Trying to recover. Are we getting any kind of divergence happening here? High, low, positive. It's positive. High, but it's all good right now. Not a lot happening here on Unos though. Let's go check out the Bitcoin again, right? Again, bearish divergence moving us down. Nothing bullish. Starting to get some recovery happening, but on, with nothing here in the 1-hour. The 4-hour had bullish divergence, at least for that. And this could start to look like a double bottom, right? So we haven't talked about patterns a lot lately. I just haven't been a lot of patterns. But, one bottom, 2 bottoms, right? Now we should be looking for a break of that neckline. That neckline's going to be somewhere around here. That's the break we should be looking for. And if we do, we could be in for a pretty good rally here on this project here. EOS. Right on. So let's go and check the Bitcoin. 51,021. Oh my goodness, we're still there. Doing the daily. We're getting above the target. How we got above the target? We're struggling. We're struggling, man, I tell you. Look at that. Cool, we're gonna be here on Bitcoin for the last 3 coins. I'm not gonna check anything else. Went through a lot of projects already. So what we're gonna do is just stick here on Bitcoin until we change to 10 p.m. Gonna see where we close, see if we can get above that 51,250. That's gonna be a very, very important area for Bitcoin to get above it right now. Small wins, right? We already took that 49,691. So why am I saying it's important? If we reject the 51,250, we could be looking for a movement back down to 49,691. It's not a huge move, but it puts us at risk of falling again and maybe head for that 46,801 again. I don't want to see that. Plus, you'll be telling us that we're not strong enough to get above that $1,000 mark. So we do want to get above that target, right? 1 hour starting to create bearish divergence. So we gotta wait. We gotta wait to see what's gonna happen with that bearish divergence, right? Ooh, 26 for watching. Thank you for being here. If you enjoy the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, join the Discord. Links have gone out. You can also join us on the other channel at So Crypto. Posted there at the top of the chat. This is TSO Crypto. 2 channels closely related names, but for now, so ain't that crazy? Data-based. Time to put some stops. Yeah, if it was gonna drop a lot, you should. Rudy says, thanks, Martin. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you very much for being here. Much appreciated. Thanks for support with your time. It's thanks for coming back also and watching the content. So yeah, thanks for being here. About to close this hour candle. Let's see where we close. 57 seconds to go. Let's go to the minute chart. It is the last minute. Are we going to pump? Are we going to drop? What do you guys think? Look at this. Last 15 minutes. Rally, right? Right now, stagnation. I know, we're dropping. So 41 seconds to go. 40 seconds to go. Do you guys think we close above $51,000 or below $51,000? You have a couple seconds. So 30 seconds. Type 1 if you think we close above 51K, type 2 if you think we close below 51K. Let me know. So above 1, below 2, right? 51K is the target. 24 seconds to go. 23 seconds to go. Join the Discord. Thank you very much for that. Make sure you verify with the bot. So, 13 seconds. 1 or 2. 1 or 2. Are we going to be above 51K or below 51K? Let's do it. Put your numbers on the chat. There. Look, interference. Joshua says 2. CryptoPrince says 1. Andrew says 1. Oh, we closed it. Above. Okay, very close, right? We did get pullback. Got extremely close to closing below that area. But look at that. Now, new hour. We want to go bullish, of course, right? Be like, we don't care about what happened last hour. We just want to go higher. So we're going to try to get another crack at 51,250 by the looks of it. Just see how we react once we get there. Remember, there's strong bearish divergence that are starting to develop. Just have to watch out for that. It could put pressure on the price and make us move down, right? Verified. All right. Awesome. Justin Thomas is 1. All right. Oh, that already happened, though. You already put that one super late. It was like knowing the answers to the test and saying, yo, type 1. All right. Kevin's also coming with 1. You guys might have been behind on the stream. Who knows? Guys, thank you very much for watching. That's gonna be it for tonight. I'm gonna be keeping it short. We've been live for about 51 minutes, so. And I enjoy being here. I'm super excited to be able to be here every night. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed the content, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Talk about crypto to your friends, your family, and your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is TSO Crypto. I am your host, Martin. What else were we gonna say? Yeah, remember, all the information we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. It's not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Santa rally. Might be. We might be getting a Christmas rally, right? Like I said, a lot of people start getting a lot more liquidity right now. And with that liquidity, they're able to buy more crypto, right? So whoever's in crypto and gets bonuses towards the end of the year, etc., they're probably going to be buying more crypto at a cheaper level, right? So right now, I think it's a pretty fair value. But again, if we go up here from 51,000 all the way to 60K again, 70K, that's a pretty good entry level, right? So, guys, thank you very much for watching. That's gonna be it for tonight. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.